Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Virgo placements. Okay, so this is your love reading ngayong October. Okay, singles and the person on your mind. Okay, so unahin natin yung singles. And then, tsaka tayo pupunta sa person na iniisip mo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yeah, kung interested po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message, okay? So kung hindi makita yung kanilang mga FB pages, message lang kayo sa akin para ako na lang yung magbibigay. And ano ba? Yeah, pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, okay, so tinawag lang siyang evil eye dahil protection po siya. Okay, pagdating sa mga evil eye na ibinabato. Ha? Okay, so yeah. Evil eye items, love bracelet, and kay granter. Okay? And dun sa ating new item for cleansing. So message lang po kayo kung may mga tanong pa. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Virgo, this is for October. Okay, so unahin natin yung mga singles. Okay, Virgo, the new person. Okay, ng mga single Virgo. Okay, so yung mga mga talaga no yung nagugustuhan mo, titingnan natin kung ano bang meron. Okay, so let's see. Virgo, the new person. Okay, so how do you view this new person, Virgo? How do you view them? How do you see them? Let's see, Virgo. How do you view this new person? The Knight of Pentacles in reversed. Hard to budge. They're hard to budge. Mahirap i-approach. Some of them, they're stubborn. Okay. Pwedeng Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, like you. Okay, so what's with this Knight of Pentacles in reversed? The Three of Cups in reversed. They're not open. Kahit sa pakikipagkaibigan, I think they're hard to budge, no? Yeah, the Four of Swords. They're too silent. So maybe, ganun ang tingin mo sa taong to. Too silent. Parang walang pakialam yung sariling mundo. Ganun tingin mo dito sa new person mo. Paano mo to nagustuhan? Some of you. Kasi nakikita ko, no, pwedeng yung kanyang pagiging misteryosa, yun ang parang nakakakuha ng attraction eh. Parang ganun, okay? I think so. Some of you, you're in, sabihin nating the same circle lang, oo. Friends, maybe may mutual friends kayo nitong taong to. Yeah, parang ganyan. Okay. They're not, open sa tawag dyan, pakikipagkwentuhan man lang, hindi sila open. Okay. So, let's see. So, how do they view you? Ano naman tingin nila sa'yo, Virgo? Ano naman tingin nitong new person na nagugustuhan mo? Anong tingin niya sa'yo? The Nine of Swords. What? Okay. Ito some of you, tingin niya sa'yo, stress ka. Bakit? Nine of Swords. Yeah, the Moon, the Eight of Swords in reversed. You're giving them confusion. I don't know why. Okay? It's like Okay, kunin ko to. Ganito ang nakukuha niya sa'yo. Pagdating sa kanya, you're too closed off. Pagdating sa iba, you're too open. Nako-confuse yung person. Bakit kaya niya ako ginaganon? Yeah. Bakit sa iba, na kaibigan namin, kinakausap niya, pero bakit ako hindi? Yeah, see, the Five of Swords. They're confused. Okay? Some of yung tingin nito sa'yo, papansin ka. Yes, kasi tinatapunan ka niya ng pansin, di ba? Yeah. You're playing, sabihin natin, playing games, playing mind games, like that. Okay? Yung parang tingin niya sa'yo is talagang hindi mo siya pinapansin. Parang sinasadya mo raw yun, Virgo. Okay, I didn't say na talagang ginagawa mo yun, pero yun ang tingin niya. Yeah. Okay. You're giving them mixed signals or maybe mixed emotions. They're confused. Okay. So, namimisteryosohan sa'yo tong taong to. Bakit kaya ganun siya sa akin? Like that. Okay. So, let's see what is their emotion. Emotion itong new person. Okay. The Five of Wands in reversed. Right, the Five of Wands in reversed. The Ten of Pentacles in reversed. Hindi nila para patulan kung anong meron. Okay, some of them hindi rin naman totally ready sa pakikipag-commit or whatsoever. Like, hindi sila ready to go or pumasok sa isang connection or relationship. Okay? They're too close off. Pero nahihiwagaan sa'yo tong taong to. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, the Sun in reversed. Feeling nito, tingin nito sa'yo, nilalaro-laro mo siya or yeah. So, nakukuha mo yung attention niya, Virgo. Okay, nakukuha mo yung attention nito. Okay. Yeah, see, the Justice in reverse, the High Priestess. Hindi nila para bigyan yung sarili nila ng kung ano mang confusion or dagdagan pa. Okay, yeah. Sabihin natin, naku-curious sa'yo tong taong to. Pero hindi sila para gumawa ng aksyon, magpakita ng kung ano man na gusto ka. Parang deadma. Okay, deadma. Next action niya towards you, Virgo. What is their next action? This new person. Okay. Next action, a new person. The Knight of Wands in reverse. Ooh. Play. Narinig ko. Game. The Knight of Wands in reversed. The King of Swords. The Page of Swords. Grabe. The Page of Wands. What? Diba? Pati ako nahirapan sa mga gusto nyong mangyari. The Knight of Wands. May chance na laruin ka nito, Virgo. Next action niya. Yeah. Hindi ka pa rin ito totally papansinin, kakausapin. Okay? Alam niyo yung energy na mas maganda ng secret to. Mas maganda ng hindi malaman yung emosyon ko. Parang ganun eh. Hindi malaman na ganto ako sa kanya, na no, curious ako sa kanya. Parang mas, yeah, parang nandun yung excitement. Nandun yung excitement niya. Acting distant, cold, detached. Ang hirap ng ganito. Ang hirap naman. Oo. Para kayong naglalaro ng puzzle. Para kayong naghahabulan sa labyrinth. Parang ganon. Naghahanapan sa labyrinth. Like, it's like a game. Playing mind games. Ang hirap nito. Yeah, you're playing mind games sa isa't isa. Oh my God. Okay. So, let's see. Ano ang advice for Virgos pagdating dito sa new person? Oh, the Page of Cups. Expressing emotions. Yeah, para matigil na tong kalukuhang to. Okay? Yes. Kayo rin naman ang mapapagod eh. Okay? Anyway, yung iba kasi dito, gusto nila na ganun. Like, hindi na pinapahayag yung kung ano emosyon. Kasi nandun yung thrill, nandun yung excitement every time na makikita. Yung hindi ka makakaramdam ng awkward feeling or, ay, nakakahiya, nandyan siya. Parang ganun. Pero, advice is the Page of Cups. Expressing emotions. I don't know why. I don't know. See? Ayan pala eh. Ayan pala. The Lovers. Kung gusto nyo daw na may magsimula. Okay? Kung gusto nyong matapos yung mind games, someone needs to step up. Avoid being afraid. Avoid being afraid na malaman, maipakita yung totoong emosyon. Yeah. Okay? I don't know how. May mga mutual friends kayo. So, kung hindi ka ganun nakatapang, sabihin mo, Huy friend, sabihin mo nga, ha? Minsan, kunyari, madulas ka, ha? Nang kunyarian lang, sabihin mo, crush ko siya, ha? Pero sabihin mo, ay, sorry. Hindi ko sinasadya. Secret lang namin yun ni Virgo, pero, crush ka niya. Parang, diba? Plano. Ay. Diba? Tinuruan ko na naman kayo. Ang hirap naman. Ang hirap kasi na nagpe-play mind games kayo. Okay? Hayaan nyo na minsan tulungan kayo mga kaibigan nyo, lalo na kung alam nyo may mutual friends kayo. May isang circle kayo ng friends. Okay? Hayaan nyo, natulungan kayo. Oo, hayaan nyo na kung hindi nyo kaya na kayo yung maging straight forward sa emosyon sa isa't isa, then hayaan nyo yung iba. Okay? Oo. So, wala eh. Hayaan mo. O, diba? Siyempre, kapag nalaman na ng isa't isa na, ay, meron pala siyang something. So, nandiyan na, magpapansinan na yan. Nandiyan na yung magngingitian na. Okay? Yeah. May chance na maging kayo nito. Yes. Oh my golly. May chance. The feeling is mutual. I guess. Kasi the Lovers, this is twin flame energy. Okay? Twin flame. Hindi yan para sa lahat. Yan na naman tayo sa mga twin flame na yan, sa mga soulmate. Okay? So, there's that energy na pull, okay? Parang hilahan. Pero parehong nagtataguan. Yes. Ganon eh. Ganon. Anyway, so let's proceed. Let's proceed sa person on your mind, Virgo. Okay, so the person on Virgo's mind. Ano bang meron? Okay. the person on Virgo's mind. So, anong meron? Let's see. Who is this? Who is this person you're thinking of? Okay, the person on your mind. The Six of Wands. And the Seven of Swords. Some of them, there is this channeled message. Meron ditong sex fluidity, like ang tawag dito, para silang na-attract sa same gender. That's so specific, okay? That's specific. Okay. There's this Seven of Swords. This is telling me na pwedeng meron ditong secrets. Okay, meron ditong mga naitago. What's this? Seven of Swords. This is being sneaky, deceptive. Yeah, the Knight of Wands. No, the Knight of Cups. So maybe someone is hiding their true emotions. So maybe, Virgo, meron kang someone on your mind na pwedeng attracted ka sa kanya, okay? May chance na binibigyan mo or tinatapunan mo to ng sabihin nating effort, time, energy, okay? Pero hindi ka nagiging open kung bakit. Pero ang nakuha ko, yeah, you love this person or you like them. Okay? Pwedeng vice versa or maging flip. Okay? Something na pwedeng itong taong ito is may something, like pwedeng may mga napapansin ka sa actions niya. Okay? Yeah, someone is secretly in love or secretly like you. Okay? Ano bang sitwasyon meron? Tingnan natin. Anong sitwasyon nyo? Okay. The Two of Wands in reversed. And the Ten of Cups. The Nine of Pentacles. There's a lot of attraction here. Ten of Cups. Some of you, pwedeng nandito yung may anak kayo, kasal kayo nito, or sabihin nating someone is sneaking back. Okay? I think someone is making hints, making signs. Okay? The Two of Wands in reverse, may energy dito ng merong gumagawa ng action ngayon pagdating sa pakikipag-ayos. Okay? Pero I don't know kung nagiging straightforward or nagiging open or nagiging clear itong taong to sa mga ginagawa niya. Okay? Ano ba to? Ano bang nangyari sa past? Let's see. Ano nangyari sa past nyo, Virgo? Itong taong to, anong meron? Anong nangyari? Yeah, the Seven of Wands. So there's blockage. Okay, there's blockage. Oh, okay, the Moon. Yeah. Some of you, napaka-specific naman nito. Meron ditong parang nagpapatulong sa friend. Okay, may nagpapatulong sa friend. Hindi siya makagawa ng action towards you. Meron ditong gumagawa ng tulay. Merong nagpapatulong sa friend. para magkaayos. Okay? Kasi someone or mayroon ditong blocked. Okay? Meron ditong parang nagiging hadlang sa ngayon. I think this person wants na magkaayos kayo, pero they don't know how. Okay? They don't know how. So that is why may chance na humihingi ito ng tulong from other people, or maybe their friend, or maybe friend mo. That's specific. So specific. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. Kahit may blockage dito sa past, nandun pa rin yung may nag-expect. Okay? Let's see. Ano bang emosyon nito towards you, Virgo? What is their true emotion? Okay? Aside sa, yes, gusto niya pa rin ikaw. Anong true emotion nito pagdating sa'yo? Yeah, the Sun. Gusto nito na may ma-fix talaga. Gusto nito makita ka. May malaman sa'yo. Okay? Why the Sun? Yeah, the Lovers in reversed. Kulang na lang is connection. They're sad if ever na hindi nga kayo nagkakaayos. Gusto nito na magkaayos talaga kayo. Gusto niya na magkaayos kayo. Okay? Someone is overthinking kung ano na ba ang gagawin niya. Tulungan mo ko, friend. May narinig ako ng ganon. Tulungan mo naman ako kay Virgo. Parang ganyan. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong kailangan kong sabihin. Like that. Hindi ko alam kung anong kailangan kong gawin. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Cups. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo. Okay? Confused. Ano kaya dito sa bibiling ko? Ano kaya masarap dito? Diba? Yung energy is confused. Okay. So, next action. Let's see. What is their next action towards you, Virgo? Their next action? Yeah, the Knight of Swords. Communication. Communication. So, may chance na gagawa ito ng action towards you. This is fast communication. Okay? Whether pinag-isipan nila or whatsoever. Okay? This is communication or action coming from them. Yeah. Death in reverse. This, yeah, they're making a return. Okay? They're making a return. Andito yung energy na to is like, okay, gagawin ko na to kahit anong mangyari. Makikipag-usap ako kahit anong meron, kung anong masabi ko, basta go. Parang ganun. Okay, the Six of Cups. They miss you. I think they miss you. Okay? Pakikipag-ayos to. Yeah. Ang linaw ng mensahe dito na gusto nitong makipag-ayos sa'yo, Virgo. Anyway. So, ano ba ang advice for you para sa taong to? Anong advice para sa mga Virgo sa ganitong sitwasyon ninyo? Okay. The Six of Cups in reversed. Okay. The Three of Swords. This is healing. Okay. The Empress. The Three of Wands. May kailangan kang improve. May kailangan kang improve. Okay. Huwag mong papakita sa taong to na you're still stuck sa kung anong meron sa inyo sa past. Okay. Huwag mong ipapakita kung ano man yung mga issue sa past. Wag mong ibabalik, or wag mong tawag dyan, ipaparinig sa kanya. Ayun nangyari sa'yo. Dati kasi ganito eh. Oo, baka ganito ka pa rin. Like that. Iwasan nyo na yun. Okay? Iwasan nyo na yun. Para mawindang tong taong to lalo. Okay? Kasi pag ganyan, iba na yung nakikita niya, hindi na niya alam kung ano magiging next action mo towards them. Okay? Improve. Hayaan mong makita nila. Okay? Hayaan mong makita nila. So maybe, some of you, you're focusing sa mga bago pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So maybe that is why hindi sila ganon ka-confident enough para bumalik. Okay? Or para sabihin kung anong intentions nila or kung anong emosyon nila for you. Okay? You're the 5 of Pentacles. Some of them, they're afraid of rejection. Afraid na talagang hindi na papasukin. Okay? Kung makikita nyo yan, pinagsaraduhan na yan, no? Tinan nyo yung mukha. Ganun. Ganun ang nakikita kong energy ng tong taong to. Okay? Hindi sila confident. So maybe they see you na mas tumaas yung value. Kung may value ka noon, mas tumaas ngayon. Like that. Okay? And the 10 of Cups. They want the 10 of Cups with you. This is long term. Yeah. Alam nila na sa'yo sila sasaya. Okay? Without you, I'm nothing. Like that. Okay? So, nakikita na nila yung value mo as a person. Okay? As an individual. So, pagpatuloy mo, Virgo, kung ano man yung mga progress na ginagawa mo ngayon. Okay? So, kung wala ka pang progress na ginagawa, umpisahan mo na. Okay? Kasi, I think, may chance talaga na makuha muli ng taong to. Ma-attract muli itong taong to. Lalo na kung gusto mo na ma-attract muli kung sino man tong iniisip mo. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan na maging open book sa taong to. Okay? Hindi mo kailangang ipakita kung ano bang meron talaga sa'yo. Hayaan mo sila na makatuklas. Okay? Para kang flower dito. Sila yung bee. Like that. Mga babae, mga lalaki, I don't care. Basta ganun yung energy. Okay? You don't need to chase. Attract. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Yun ang ating reading for you, Virgo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!